my name's Grace and today I'll be going through the Aqa Gcse past paper foundation from 2021. I'll be going through questions 20 through to 25, so I hope you find the video helpful and enjoy it. So, question 20. Freddie tries to work out this calculation here. His answer is 36.65. By rounding each number to the nearest 10, show that his answer is incorrect. So 29.15 rounded to the nearest 10 is going to be 30. 83.47 rounded to the nearest 10 is going to be 80. And 9.82 to the nearest 10 is going to be 10. And that is going to give us 30 plus 80 is 110. Divided by 10 is equal to 11. So it's very obvious that his answer is way off. He's nowhere near 11. So what we're going to say is his answer is too big. So question 21. A straight line passes through two parallel lines. Circle the angle that is corresponding to angle X. So hopefully you know about corresponding angles. So if you can see, we've got a bit of a F shape, and this angle here, angle X, is corresponding to this angle here, which is angle B. And question 22. Lucy wants to simplify 6a minus 7b minus 2a with this bit in brackets. She writes 4a minus 7b. Is she correct? Well, let's try and do the calculation for ourselves. So 6a minus 7b minus 2a. So we're going to do the brackets first. So we're going to times out the brackets by this minus sign. So 6a, when we get rid of the brackets, we're going to have minus 7b. However, we're going to have minus minus 2a, which is going to lead to us having a plus 2a. So that's going to give us 8a minus 7b, which means Lucy has not done the calculation correct. Lucy also, you might want to just write there, should have done expanded brackets first. To give an explanation. So 22b, Lucy also wants to simplify 3p squared plus 5p to the power 7. She says add 3 and 5, then add 2 and 7. Her answer is 8p to the power 9. So tick a box for each part of her method whether it is correct or not. So the power section of her method is correct. So if we ignore the coefficients and just do p squared times p to the 7, then you would add those powers together to get p to the power 9, sorry, not 6, 9. So that bit is definitely correct, so that's that bottom bit. However, the coefficient 3 and 5 need to be multiplied together as well. You can't just add those because they're part of the multiplication. So that part of her method is incorrect. Okay, question 22c. Lucy thinks of a number. 10 times the number is equal to 10 divided by the number. Give a possible value of the number. The first thing that comes to mind to me is the number 1. So if you do 10 times 1 equals 10, and 10 divided by 1 is still equal to 10. So let's go for 1. Lily's age is 2 years and 4 months. Hugo's age is 1 year and 8 months. Write Lily's age in months as a fraction of Hugo's age in months. Give your fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so let's convert these ages to just months. So 2 years and 4 months. So there's 12 months in 1 year. So 2 years and 4 months is going to convert to 28 months. So that's Lily. 1 year and 8 months is going to convert to 20 months. And that's Hugo. So Lily's age as a fraction of Hugo's age is going to be 28 over 20. So simplifying that, we can divide top and bottom by 4. So let's write that out. Divide by 4 over 4. So we're going to get 7 over 5. So that would be our fraction in its simplest form. So question 24. Working alone, it takes Kevin 4 hours to paint an area of 12 meters squared. Kevin and Steve are going to paint an area of 24 meters squared. Kevin says, working together at the same rate, it will take us 8 hours because 24 is 2 times 12. Is he correct? So in this situation, Kevin is not correct because even though obviously 24 is 2 times 12, he's now got someone else to help him. So if Kevin spends 4 hours to paint 12 meters squared, assuming Steve works at the same rate as Kevin, then he can also spend 4 hours doing 12 meters squared. So they can cover 24 meters squared, both working at the same time for 4 hours. So they don't need to spend 8 hours because if they're both working at the same rate Kevin was working before, then they'll both do 12 meters squared in 4 hours. So the time is the same, but the area is doubled to 24. Question 25. Solve 5x plus 6 is greater than 3x plus 15. Okay, so let's start by taking away 2x from both sides. Sorry, taking away 3x from both sides. So we'll be left with 2x plus 6 is greater than 15. Now let's take away 6 from both sides. So we'll have 2x. So we're going to take away 6 from both sides. So we'll have 2x is greater than 9. And then if we divide both sides by 2, then we'll have x is greater than 9 over 2 or 4.5. So the answer would be x is greater than 4.5. Part B. Write down the inequality represented by the number line. So this inequality here shows that x is less than 5 and greater than or equal to 2. This coloured in dot means less than or equal to, and the empty dot means that it's not equal to, it's just less than. That's it for today, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video.